That's wonderful. Wow.
Ah, Lijal, my sister.
How are you?
Right.
Are you happiness?
Aye.
You lie. You look like my ex, you know.
I'm so happiness, my sister.
Really?
Yes,
Turn around. You look like my ex.
Mina?
Especially the beard.
No, my sister, I'm not happiness. I'm not.
You're not happiness?
Aye.
Oh my goodness.
So Bhutiliyazi uyamazi lo.
Angimazi.
So ngihamba wonke umuntu ohlangana la endleleni usukelana la usithi happiness wonke umuntu ohlangana la looks like your ex. So stupid phela mina.
No, I'm not saying that, but he just looks like my ex, you know. It's not a crime. People look alike. But you know everything about him is just like him. You know?
Aye. Mina ngicela ngixolile, I'm so happiness.
Ngicela mfuni nxa ungamazi uzihambele. Ngicela uzihambele nxa uthi awumazi.
You're not happiness.
Aye, so happiness.
So right is normal nxa ukhangele.
No, let's go. You've just spoiled my day.
Spoiled my day nxa uhlangana lo muntu uhlangana lo muntu uthi ngihappiness. Uyamazi nxa uyiboyfriend nxa uyihappiness hamba kuyihappiness wakhona.
No, I'm not going with him, but he just looks like him.
Looks like him ukhuluma into engazwakaliyo. Futhi wena nxa uhlezi lami lapho ucabanga ngabo happiness bakucanga
No,
boyfriend.
it's not about that. It's not about that. You know, happiness was one of those guys used to make me sad anyway. He didn't make me happy. So I wanted to box him. He's not happiness anyway.
So mele ngilami ngihlangana nabantu ngitsho lo ufanana le girlfriend yami iko utsho.
No, I didn't say that. You don't do that. You
So
know
ungenza
what
isilima
happens.
phela ungenza isilima
No,
wena.
I didn't say that, you know.
Ungenza isilima wena. Ungasukela umuntu ezihambela uthi yeah you look handsome. So mina nginjani ke? Nginjani ke mina?
No, you are cute, you know. I always tell you that.
So
But
why uhamba khawukela umuntu? Ngangahawukela umuntu mina phambi kwakho kuyanceda khona.
no, it's not okay.
Ngono siyekele lapha edesiya khona ngoba kuncede wadazi mina.
No, let's continue our journey.
Asibuyele. Ngoba kungincedi ngalutho mina. Kunginceda ngani?